Hey there, it's Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the new Moxee Tablet 2. This affordable tablet features a bright display, dual cameras, and a reliable battery. And best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. The Moxee Tablet 2 has an 8-inch HD Plus display, great for on-the-go entertainment. Its 3.5mm jack is here for your wired headphones. And if you'd prefer to go wireless, the Moxee has you covered with Bluetooth 5.0. Video chatting and taking great photos or videos can be done compliments of its dual 5-megapixel cameras, located on both the front and back of the tablet. Now inside, the Moxee Tablet 2 has a powerful 4300 mAh battery and charges with a USB Type-C cable. It comes with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable micro SD card slot that lets you add more memory. It runs Android 12 right out of the box. The Moxee Tablet 2 is sure to keep up with your multitasking without draining the battery with its 64-bit Octa-core processor. Now inside the box, we've got the new Moxee Tablet 2, quick start guide, SIM pin, USB-C charging cable, and a wall charger. The new Moxee Tablet 2, featuring a bright display, dual cameras, and a reliable battery, all rocking T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check out the new Moxee Tablet 2 at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell icon to receive notifications. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.